How to make full screen video in CapCut in iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your CapCut application. So let's just go here. And now it will lead you to this area. Now, to be able to have a full screen video is, of course, you have to have a video that is in landscape type. So let's say, for example, you only have the video for portrait. As you can see here, this is an example. For example, I have this vertical type video. Now, if you add it here, it will look like this. Now, you can actually put it on full screen here by tapping on ratio here and set it to 16:9. This is actually full screen, but it's kind of awful, right, to see. So that is why you have to make sure that you have a video that is in landscape. Let's just go back here. So tap on new project here, and I have a video in landscape here. Tap on this, choose this video, and here on the bottom part you will see different tools here. Go directly to ratio and tap on 16:9 and just drag the video here into landscape here. And as you can see, tap on yes here and then play the video. We have now successfully made a full screen video in CapCut in iPhone, and then just upload it and export it, and basically that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.